Hi, you're welcome to this episode on the settings required for finance with Enterprise. I'm Sharon from Enterprise, and in this session we will cover adding cost centers and projects. So let's get you started with finance and Enterprise. So we start off with clicking on Settings at the top of the screen and go into Finance and Banking. So this is where you can analyze your finances further with cost centers and project codes. You will be able to select these on transactions and financial reports. So what is a cost center? So a cost center is a company division or department relating to your business products and services. You can define cost centers here and link each one to the relevant dimension. Dimension meaning cost center level. So the cost center level or cost center dimension is where you can categorize your business activity. We give you up to 5 dimensions. So very simply, click on Edit to edit the dimension name, ensure that it is selected as active, and click on Save. For the cost center codes, again, to add a cost center code, you need to click on Create New Cost Center Code. Simply add in your code description, select the dimension from the list, select Active, and click on Save. It's important to note here that only active dimensions will appear for selection against your cost center code. So projects, over here on the right. So we have project codes which are used to track costs for projects that your current company is currently running. So projects can be assigned to all transactions across Enterprise for sales, purchases and finance. So as long as the project is selected as active, it will appear for selection on your transactions. So very simply, click on Create New Project Code, assign the code description, select as active, and click on Save. If you require any further help with any of the finance terms, take a look at our articles in help.enterprise.com or reach out to our support representatives here in the support chat on the bottom right within the Enterprise application. Thank you for watching.